what they were reviewing. Was white paddled by both the mat judge and the on-mat official. And it'll be 0-0, and we'll come back to the center here.
Aggressive hands from both wrestlers early on. Now into that double leg attack goes ALPEEVA, and she'll finish it for the opening two.
Transitioning here. This double under armbar position, trying to get around. Great, just level change from open into the legs here for ALPEEVA. ALPEEVA.
ALPEEVA with a 2-0 lead. 1 minute into this opening round, the semifinal match, Kyrgyzstan and Ukraine.
Action!
Medet circling, re-engages.
Open, no fingers, let!
2024 Olympian, when you look at the wrestler in the red for Kyrgyzstan, she lost to Marine at the Olympics, also took a setback to Kennedy Blades in Paris. Again, the low shot instead of a double, settling in on the single is ALPEEVA. Much better job by Medet here.
Yeah,
she's not out of the woods yet.
Shooting right in off the whistles, ALPEEVA. You got this crotch lift for exposure. It was confirmed by everybody, putting Айпери back in the lead here on the tie. She reaches around again, looking to once again get the exposure. Does a great job of just switching her hands and focusing on leveraging up that low leg position. It's funny, you know, I remember wrestling and Medet was the young up-and-comer, and now she's one of the veterans here at the World Championships. What a time to be alive, Sean.
And it brings up an interesting point, because really we've seen a changing of the guard with yourself and Gray of the United States, of Estonia. Yes, you could go down the list. So is ALPEEVA the next one to come through now, you know, with the legacy that you and some of your other competitors have left behind? A weight that has entertained for so many years. Tied at 2, 30 seconds to go in this opening round.
ALPEEVA has definitely dictated the match here. Once again, just pops the elbows, comes in on the double, gets extended here, but she has proven she's been able to hold on, and she's got those long arms. It just seems so impossible to get around on. Ayperi's just trying to catch that right arm. 8 seconds left. She will get the go behind.
Unanswered points toward the end of the period. The Olympian knows how to do that. And Medet, despite giving up that early double leg, able to get a little traction late in that first period. Back-to-back takedowns for the 2-time world champion medalist, and she has the 23-year-old trailing by 2 after 1.
And you know, Medet was down as well in her quarterfinal match against USA's Kylie Welke. She came back at the very end to win. A clutch move there from the veteran wrestler here, and we will be calling Medet a veteran at the young age of 26. But she's been here for a while, 2 Olympic Games under her belt, multiple world medals, but she's been missing out on that elusive gold. She is the face of Kyrgyzstan wrestling at these World Championships. She's standing on the shoulders of giants.
You always have inspirations when you are young as you come up through the ranks, and her big inspiration was Asulu Tanabekova and her run that she had at the London Olympic Games in 2012. Medet, ever since she hit the senior circuit, she has been putting up Tanabekova type results, which is winning and bringing home a lot of medals back to their beloved Kyrgyzstan.
So we
leading
see
by
how,
2.
Yeah, sorry. We see how Айпери is, left hand on the left wrist of АЛПЕЕВА, just in that collar type position. She's really just trying to slow down the match, slow down the heavy hands and offense of АЛПЕЕВА. We just saw it there. Comes in heavy with the right hand in the front headlock position. Pass by, foot sweep attempt, drops in on the legs here. АЛПЕЕВА down underneath again. Let's see if she can make the adjustment and come up. We once again have this Olympic lift position for Айпери Медет. No points scored yet. Great wrestling awareness there from АЛПЕЕВА coming around on top. We're back in this beautiful scramble. And Medet out of bounds for the 2.
She has won the scramble situations. The difference right now.
I'd love to see a replay of that entire scramble situation. Great wrestling from both of these athletes.
6-2, Medekisi enjoying her largest lead over ΑΛΠΕΕВΑ. We hit the 1 minute mark. The winner into the gold medal match tomorrow night at 76 kilos. ΑΛΠЕЕВА down 4, working off the collar. Comes into that double, drives her near the edge and gets the step out point. So good work there by АЛПЕЕВА. It all starts with that heavy club, that heavy hand on the collar. That's a couple of times now she's been able to get to the double leg attack.
Yeah, exactly. You see the difference in the proximity in which Medekisi feels comfortable. She wants to close the distance, bring АЛПЕЕВА into her. But every time АЛПЕЕVA has been able to break 3, get a full extension of her arm, she's dropped in for those doubles and almost go just like that. We see her in on the single leg. But again, Medekisi just does such a great job of stuffing that shot. She's got her hands gripped. She's looking here for the pin.
She has the cradle hooked up. ΑЛΠЕЕVA able to roll through, but damage inflicted. And it will be Ayperi Medekisi a chance to wrestle for world gold. One more burst of energy puts her over on her back, and that is going to be it. A frantic finish in this one, but it goes toward Medekisi. 10-5, your final. And Medekisi will have a chance to win her first world gold. She came so close in Belgrade 2 years ago.